When it comes to manufacturing, you cannot have a mistake. You cannot have errors. You have to be perfect. Otherwise, you're wasting money. As an engineer, as a shop owner, I'm gonna look at a part and I'm gonna think, how can I make this part as efficient as possible? And that's why I'm gonna look at CNC machines and the more axes of movement so I can do everything at one time. When you're on a machine like this, you don't wanna run one part. You wanna run 20 parts. You wanna run 50 parts. You want complete automation and lights out manufacturing. That's how you're gonna make money. And when it comes to elite machining, it's all about the fixturing. So you have to take the part and you have to figure out how you're gonna hold a complex shape. And before, as a machinist, I'd have to spend days and even weeks figuring out how I'm gonna actually design these tombstones, how I'm gonna design the fixturing. But because of Markforged and the additive solutions that we have at our fingertips, you literally can just take your model and you can print it. You can just on Friday, you can just start the print, go home, spend time with your family, come back, take that print, hook it onto your tombstone, and you are running that fast. The tolerances have gotten so tight, you're truly able to machine on a high level using additive fixtures. You don't even have to hire somebody else. The engineer that developed the part that you're producing can actually help the machinist develop the tooling that actually fits and holds that complex part. So we went with Markforged because they are true, they are tested, and their tolerances, meaning tolerances like how you print the part and how perfect it ends up being. That is so important when it comes to manufacturing and high-end CNC machining. Precision is the name of the game. So we go to Markforged, the carbon fiber aspect, or the 17.4, the stainless, the Inconel. I mean, you can pretty much print anything with Markforged and it's gonna come out absolutely amazing. So Markforged, thank you so much for making the best printers in the world. Boom. And just thank you so much for the support. You guys are awesome. You're an awesome partner. We're able to give free education to the world, and we could not do what we're doing now if it wasn't for you. Boom.